from Duncan FC at Meredith Jones, Chatham Forest. This is the Jeopardy Labs Tournament of Champions. I'm the contestant, as the known champion. Hey everybody! Welcome to the first episode of our Tournament of Champions. Our very first Tournament of Champions in this season. Now, as you know, let me explain the rules. Once you hear, hold up. I just gotta. Once you hear this sound, as you know, that signifies the end of the round. But let's try and get it over and say Triple Jeopardy is no longer on Jeopardy for this season, as you know, because we just began our Tournament of Champions. But here's our categories in the Jeopardy round. Hold up, let me load in this sound. Okay, I loaded it in. Here are the categories: pop culture, math. Then we have a little just for fun. Then animals. Then finally, random. And we, just for the start of our Tournament of Champions, we've doubled. The dollar amounts are now doubled. So now it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's start with, just for fun, 1,000. Trivia question. What is the closest planet to the sun? What's Mercury? Yes. Well, that's easy. Now I'm at 1,000 already. Pop culture, 1,000. I'm doing what Madame Odia did. Go through 1,000s first. Trivia question. What is the name of Ariel's father in The Little Mermaid? Boop, boop, boop. Triton. 1,000. 1 plus 1. 1 times 1. 1. What is 1? No. It was 2. Let's go animals, 1,000. Trivia question. What is the biggest mammal on Earth? What's an elephant? No. Let's go and finish the 1,000s. What is the most popular thing parents forget when they're late? Which their keys? Yes. 800 pop culture. Trivia question. What is Buzz Lightyear's most popular slogan? What is To Infinity and Beyond? Yes. That's so easy. Let's do this one. Trivia question. There are 8 slices per pizza. If we have 48 kids, how many pizzas do we need to get so that every kid gets 2 slices? 12. Let's go 800 just for fun. Riddle. What do you put in a box to make it lighter? What is a candle? Yes, they said what these choices are because that's one of the things. Let's go 800 animals. Trivia question. What's the animal has 3 hearts? An octopus. Let's go 800. Let's finish the 800s. What's Mrs. Cook's first name? What's DJ? No. Dude, they just putting random people on here. Let's go pop culture ticks. Trivia question. What is the name of the little girl in Monsters, Inc.? Was it Boo? Yes. 600. 5 times 5. What's 25? Yes, that's easy. 600. Trivia question. What are the primary colors? What's red, yellow, and blue? Yes! Yeah! 600 animals. Trivia question. How many arms does a starfish have? What's 8? No. Let's finish the 600. What was the original purpose of the tiny pockets in jeans? To hold your phone? No. Less than a minute to go now. Random for 400. Who was the artist that painted the Mona Lisa in the Last Supper? Who's Albert Einstein? No, bruh. Let's go animals for 400. Trivia question. What is the largest animal in the ocean? What's a shark? No. 400 just for fun. Trivia question. How many days are usually in a year? Which 365? Yes. Plus 366 with 3 days. We got 20 seconds. Math for 400. Is a quarter pounder bigger than half pounder? Which yes. No. 400 pop culture. 10 seconds. Trivia. What movie is Hakuna Matata from? Was The Lion King? Yes, and we won't have time to get to the 200s today, but I am at 1,000, so let's copy and paste it to Double Jeopardy and Double Jeopardy only. And here are our, and now let's take a look at the categories. Now let's take a look at the Double Jeopardy categories. Earth science. Different types of science. Trivia. Define the word. And finally, states of matter. Let's go to Science Jeopardy. So this is short, but hold up.
As an old, you don't have to settle. What a feel.
Okay. Earth science for 100. What is Earth science? What's the science of Earth? No. Earth science for 200. Earth science relates to astronomy. True or false? What's true? No. 300 Earth science. Earth science relates to geology. True or false? True? Yes. I forgot to answer it in the form of a question, but that's okay. 400. Earth science relates to oceanography. True or false? What's true? Yeah! That's what's the category. Earth science relates to zoology. True or false? What's false? Yes. Now let's go different types of science for 100. What are the 3 branches of science? What's Earth science? I got one of them right, so they should have been giving me that. 2 science. What type of science causes mountains to form? A, Earth science. B, physical science. C, life science. What's A, Earth science? Yes. 300 shot. This one. What type of scientist studies lions in living groups? A, Earth science, physical science, or C, life science? Was physical science? No. Let's go 400. What type of science studies different types of rocks? What's Earth science? Yes. Finish the category. What type of science studies what causes a volcano? What's life science? No. Trivia for 100. What is the 3rd planet from the sun? Earth? Yes. Easy. 200. When a liquid is changed to a solid, what is it called? Freezing. Let's go 300. Why does the sun appear to be the largest star in the sky? Because it's the biggest? No. Let's go 400. When a solid changes to a liquid, what is it called? What's sweating? No. Finish the category. Name the 2 gases we breathe in and out. What's air and oxygen? No. Dang it. 700. Let's just find a word for 100. A natural body that revolves in an orbit around the star. What's a planet? Yes. 200. Is long term in weather patterns. What's climate? Yes. 300. An organism that can survive in both land and water. What is an amphibian? Yes. 400. The layer of gases that surround places. Atmosphere. Let's finish the category. The process when leaves on trees use sunlight for energy. What is photosynthesis? Yes. States of matter for 100. The state of matter for water. What's liquid? Yes. So what state of matter for this show? What's liquid? Yes. 300. What are the 3 main states of matter on Earth? What's solid, liquid, and gas? Yes, that's easy. 400. What state of matter is a rock in front of your landscape? What is solid? Yes. And the final clue. What state of matter is water vapor? What is gas? Yes. And that takes us to Final Jeopardy. We actually finished that for once. I forgot to change the category. Guys, I forgot to change the category. Don't look at the... Don't look. Oh, I forgot to change the whole thing. Okay. Guys, just don't look at this part. Okay. I'll just come up with my own clue. The category is social media memes. I'm gonna... Social media equals memes. I'll be right back. I'm like, brain, okay. I guess I'll make my own clue. Here's it. Finish the thing. Finish the thing. Finish the thing. Oi, oi, oi. Blank. 30 seconds. Good luck. 30 seconds. Good luck. Okay, I said, what is it, Baka? And I was right. I'm just only going to wager 100. Let's be at 3,400. And I will see y'all tomorrow for game 2 of the Tournament of Champions. Thank you for watching. I will see you again tomorrow. I'll see you again tomorrow. So please join us then. We'll see you soon. We hope to see you tomorrow for the next Tournament of Champions. Be ready. Fast production.